Hello loving people, welcome back to my channel, Blessed Family Kitchen channel. Yes, so my loving people, as people can see, I have done a lot of job here today. It's not easy to cut meat. Now see all this meat. I have a lot of job here today. And see, I just finished cutting this meat now, so I have to tie them, wash them, and put them inside the freezer, so at least this meat will serve me for 3 to 4 months. Yeah, now see, shop better, enjoy yourself when you are alive. Yeah, because the one you eat will remain in your body till that day. So value food, because for me, I rather eat than buying clothes, wearing clothes, making up, buying all these material things. Then I will be lacking of food. My food first. Food first. Yeah, I just want to show you guys what I have here today. See, this is cow meat, better cow meat. So that's it. I will use this one for pepper soup. So come settle down, hammer the pepper soup. Yes, so my loving people, enjoy yourself when you are alive. Enjoy yourself when you are alive. Yes, so if now your first time you come across my video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thumbs up the notification bell. God bless you all as you do so. Yes, so my loving people, happy weekend to you all. You all remain blessed. Cheers.